What's up, everybody? I got another video for you today, Sunday, October 15th. And right now, if you've been paying attention to the crypto market, things are a bit down, not significantly. So let me explain. Right now, I have CoinMarketCap open, which gives you a good overview of how each cryptocurrency is performing, and the top ones, of course. So obviously, Bitcoin, as you can see here, is down, but down in a sense of the way it was growing over the past week, and peaking at near I think over 5,800. Now it's at hovering around 5,500. So if you're looking to buy, and as well, I should say before I get into that, some of the altcoins are down as well. You'll see here, as you can see here, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, of course, Litecoin, Dash, Monero, Neo, those are all down. So if you were looking to invest, today would be a good day to grab some of these coins as it's in the dip, in the downward trend a bit. This way you get it at a lower price. The idea is to not take all of your money and just throw it at it. I would say take maybe 20%, 25%, and invest and buy some, hold, and then keep an eye on the market the coming days, how things go. Maybe dips a bit further down, so you take another 20%, 25% and buy there. This way, you're not throwing all your money and then the next day it goes down. You're like, oh man, I should have waited, and you could have got more for your money. So that would be my approach. And in full transparency, I actually bought some Bitcoin not too long ago. Not a lot, about $500 worth, because once again, I'm not trying to throw a whole bunch of money at it. I'm just buying in the dip. This way, even if it goes back up next week, I could just even resell it and make whatever, $100 profit or something, right? So that's the way you want to approach it. Buy in the downward trend. And you'll notice here that Ripple, and you guys can take a look at my other video I did yesterday on Ripple and why I think it's a good investment. Notice that Ripple is actually not down. Ripple is up at just over about 26 cents. And the reason being, most likely it's because of the conference, the Ripple conference called Swell, which is going to take place tomorrow in Toronto. And they're going to live stream that from their site, so be sure to check that out. But I think that's why that is holding stable and actually growing. The others are down. Why I think the others are down, not because necessarily Bitcoin is down. Folks are selling, or they're not buying as much of these altcoins right now because they're trying to buy Bitcoin in the downward trend, because Bitcoin has just been shooting upwards. Like it's been really crazy. It hit a new all-time high this past week. So I'm gonna try to grab a bit of maybe a bit more Litecoin. Well, actually no, not Litecoin, because I just bought some recently, but I might try to grab some of Omisigo, because I don't have that in my portfolio, so I may grab some of that. Well, wait a minute, now it's up. Oh boy. Okay, I waited too late. I should have grabbed it earlier, but right now it's showing it's up. Let me refresh this here. Let's see. Yeah, it's up a bit here. Not a lot, but still pretty cheap. Steam, I wanted to grab some Steam. I think I might do that. It's only $1. Let's see what else. I think I wanted to get some Monero as well. Maybe I'll get some of that. I don't know. Maybe. I have to do a bit more research. I don't just go on this chart and pick random altcoins. I actually do my research. I read the white papers. I study the technology. What is behind this? Does it have lasting potential? Like Ethereum has, Microsoft and a few other companies on board with it, backing it. So you got to study these things. It does take quite a bit of reading and research. So never jump into it. I'm speaking from my own research that I've done already. So that's why I'm like, oh, I'm going to buy some Steam. I'm not doing that on the fly. I actually have been researching and seeing the potential in Omisigo. So for example, I've been researching Omisigo, and they actually just had a partnership with McDonald's, I believe in Philippines, or boy, I forgot the country at the top of my head. See, this is why it's important to do your homework, and just even if you read something once, read it again, so you make sure that you're on top of the facts. So there's potential there in the Asian market for Emisigo. So you want to do your research, and as mentioned, things are a bit down today, so it will be a good way to, or a good opportunity to buy some coins, and definitely I would suggest, if it's your call, you do your research, but maybe grab some Bitcoin since it's on a downward trend a bit here, and definitely some of these other Dash, Narrow, Neo, once you've done your research, of course. So yeah guys, buy in the dip. That's a strategy, and don't throw all your money at it. I'd say you want to watch the trends. You can go to TradingView .com as well, and that can help you to see the how things have been going kind of day over day and week over week, and you can study. So right now it looks like some people, Bitcoin is being sold right now at that price. Maybe some folks are worried he's going to keep going down, so they're trying to cash out. But yeah, do your research. All these things are online, and today will be a great day to buy. I'll grab some crypto because we're in the downward right now. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for future videos on crypto trading, specific coins, even the blockchain.